Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag PostgreSQL 18 DBA tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn in day 28 PostgreSQL 18 DBA 0 to hero in 30 days course. So in day 28, PostgreSQL 18 upgrade using the PG upgrade. So we'll go through the step-by-step process, and here we are going to upgrade from the PostgreSQL 17 to PostgreSQL 18. So in my case, my server is running with the VMware workstation. This is my server and IP is 128 and Ubuntu 24.0 for LTS server is running. Let me access through the SSH. You can use any SSH client to access this. So SSH and there your username 192.168.50.128. So this is the IP address and password is admin@123. So let me, by mistake I have exited. So admin@123, then go to the sudo user admin@123, clear cd. So this is our server. So you can able to see this. Now, whenever you are starting, always update and upgrade the system packages to get the latest update of the system libraries. Now, I'm going to add the official Postgres apt library. So add the key first, GPG key, and then add the repository. And after that, always update the package. So it will update the source list file. Then I'm going to install the Postgres 17. So sudo apt install -y means yes, we are giving the permission PostgreSQL and this is 17. And similar, I'll go with this. So Postgres 17. There will be, I will add the CLI ENT client and I will add the contribution also. CONTRIB. So click on enter. So start installing. Here you can see after some time Postgres 17. So Postgres client 17, you can able to see now Postgres 17. So Postgres 17 is going to be installed there. So let it complete. So in your case, if already any older version are already installed, you are upgrading to any other version. So you have to install that one only. So you can go with the next part. So here, let me check the status of the PostgreSQL. So sudo systemctl status and postgre SQL system systemctl. Okay. So this is completed. Our server is running. Now let me check the Postgres version. So psql minus version. We are running with the 17.10. Let me go with the console also. Sudo -u postgres psql -c command, and I will command try this select version. Okay. So we are running with the PostgreSQL 17.10. Here you can see this. Q for exit. Now let me log into PostgreSQL. So, sudo -u postgres and psql. So we are logged in /l. Let me see. We have a 3 rows, means 3 databases are listed there. Now I'm going to create a database. So create create database and my database. Okay. So /c my database. So this is Postgres before. Now I am changing to my database. Now I am going to create a table. Create table users ID. ID will be, I'm going to serial and primary key, name, varchar 100, age int. Okay. So close this and enter. So create table is done. Now let me check slash dt. So there is a users table is there. Select extract from users. So we don't have any data. Now I'm going to insert a data. So insert users. There is a name, age, close this one, values, and I'll pass this one, Chirag, and age I'm going to 35. So I'm going to insert any data. Okay, insert into. So data is inserted. Now let me insert one more. Sanju 30. So let me check with the data. So we have a two rows are there. So we have inserted some data and data where we can access this. So Control Q, we are exit from this console. Now, I'm going to add the PostgreSQL 18 Global Development Group PGDG repository. So let me install the PostgreSQL command. So sudo apt install -y and PostgreSQL command. So done. Now sudo -usr share, there is a Postgres command and pgdg slash apt postgresql.org.sh. So continue. So running apt update and updated the system packages. Now I'm going to run the apt update sudo apt update. So same, I will install the Postgres 18. Just we have installed Postgres 17. Like that, I'm going to install the Postgres 18 here. So Postgres 17 is already running. Above of this, I'm going to install the Postgres 18. So this is done. Now I'll start the Postgres 18 cluster. So sudo pg underscore create cluster cluster 18 main start. So this is started with the port number 5433, means default port is 5432, and this is started with the different port, that is a 5433. So this is done. Now let me check the cluster. So list the cluster. So sudo pg underscore clusters. So here you can see there is a 5432 with the default port, Postgres 17 is running. Okay. And here with the 5433 Postgres 18 is running. So this is a confirm that both the Postgres are running. There is a VR version 17, version 18. So both the Postgres version are running. Now I am going to prepare for the upgrade. So stop and remove the newly created Postgres 18 default cluster. I'll recreate using the from version 17. So Postgres 18, I will stop. So this is done. Now check the PG cluster. Okay. No, no, no. I have to drop the cluster. So not create cluster, drop. So PG cluster here you can see only Postgres 17 is running. Now I am going to perform the in place upgradation. So new upgrade from the Postgres 17 to Postgres using the PG upgrade cluster. So I'll run this command pg upgrade CLUSTR 17 main. So this will copy from the Postgres 17 cluster to the Postgres 18 format, upgrade catalog structure, recreate the configuration automatically. So at last we are getting this one. There is a, if you want to remove the old cluster, so you have to run this command. Later on will run, and Postgres 18 is down. Status is down. This is online. Means Postgres 17 is down. Postgres 18 is online, and this is the new cluster we have, new database we have running this. Now I'll just run this command, and it will just, after confirming the post upgraded cluster working correctly, remove the old cluster. So let me log into the database and let me check the database before doing this anything. Postgres, so Postgres 18.4 and sudo -u postgres and psql. So here okay, so let me check. SCL is select, extract from select version. So we have running with the 18.4. So everything is running. Now let me check the list of the databases. We have a database. My database is there. Q/C my database and /dt. So users table is there. Now I'll check with this users. So same data we are getting. Okay. So data is working. Now exit from this and run this command home sudo. So it will drop the Postgres cluster 17. Okay. So this is done. Now let me run the PG cluster. So only Postgres 18 you will able to see this one. So everything is working fine. Now I'm going to clean up the all database Postgres 17 packages. So sudo apt purge -y and there is a postgre 17 postgre client 17 and okay, let me remove this one. Now here I'll run sudo apt auto remove. Yes, so this is done. Now let me check the PG cluster. Let me log in /l. So database is there, my database /c, my database is there, and I will run the command. We have a data. So everything is working fine. So now you have successfully upgraded from the Postgres 17 to Postgres 18 using the PG upgrade without losing your data. So we have done step by step full process. You follow the process for the getting the PG upgrade and this one Postgres 17 to Postgres 18. So disclaimer is there, this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belongs to their respective owners. So for any copyright concern, just send me mail on the chiragmahto@gmail.com and follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel. All the links are given on the description. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any question? Then drop them into the comment box and like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.